Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important theoretical question from the ISS Statistics Paper 4 2026 examination. And one interesting fact about the ISS Paper 4 is that it is not limited to the mathematical derivations. The examiner also expects the candidates to understand the practical statistical applications in the industries, and topics such as the statistical quality control, quality control charts, and process capability, acceptance sampling, and the reliability are frequently asked because they are directly used in the manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, automobile industries, electronics, and even the service sectors. And today's question is completely conceptual, but if explained properly with the practical examples, it becomes one of the easiest 10-mark questions in the examination. So let's begin. Why do we make use of the statistical quality control? Write the advantages when a process is working in a state of the statistical control. Okay. Now, first of all, let us understand what statistical quality control means. Statistical quality control is the application of the statistical techniques to monitor, control, and improve the quality of the products and manufacturing processes. So its main objective is to ensure that the products meet the required quality standards while minimizing defects and the production cost. So remember this, that quality cannot be inspected into a product. It must be built into a process. So this is the philosophy behind the statistical quality control. Okay, and instead of checking quality only after production is complete, SQC continuously monitors the production process itself. Okay, now let us discuss why industries use SQC. So first point will be to maintain consistent quality. Look, SQC helps ensure that products produced today and tomorrow have the same quality standards. And consistency is extremely important in the industries like medicine and the automobile manufacturing. Okay. Second point will be to detect the problems early. And using the control charts, SQC identifies the abnormal variations before they become the serious problems. And early detection saves both time and money. Third, to reduce the defective products. By controlling the production process, fewer defective items are produced. So as a result, waste decreases, customer complaints decrease, and production efficiency increases. Fourth point will be to reduce manufacturing cost. Look, when defects decrease, there is less rework, less scrap, and fewer rejected products. So ultimately, the overall production cost becomes lower. Fifth point will be to improve the customer satisfaction. A customer always prefers products with the consistent quality, and therefore better quality leads to the customer trust, brand reputation, and higher sales. The student often confused with the quality control with the quality assurance. Remember the difference. Quality control focuses on detecting the defects, and quality assurance focuses on preventing defects. And statistical quality control is mainly a part of the quality control, where the statistical methods help monitor and improve the process. Okay. Now let's talk about the advantages as well, disadvantages as well. Look, first we will talk about the advantages of a process in the statistical control. Okay. So a process is said to be in the statistical control when only common causes of variation are present and no assignable causes affect the process. So in such a process, all observations remain randomly distributed within the control limits, right? So remember this distinction. The Common causes. These are natural variations that always exist in a process. Examples like slight machine vibration, small temperature fluctuations, unavoidable measurement errors. Okay. And if I talk about the assignable causes, then these are the abnormal variations. For example, like the machine breakdown, operator error, defective raw material, incorrect machine setting. So a process is statistically controlled only when assignable causes have been eliminated. Now, what are the advantages of the statistical control? First point will be predictable predictable process performance. Second will be uniform product quality. Third will be reduced production cost. Fourth will be better production planning. Fifth point will be increased productivity. Sixth point is easier detection of future problems. And seventh point, this will be higher customer confidence. Okay, so these are the main points. Just remember these points and you can write this type of answer in just 2 to 3 minutes in our examination. Okay, so see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye.